So once I get my default values in, I'm going to click on Create Pond. And at this point in time, the program is going to generate a table of options that are available for me. And so you'll initially get a chart, and you'll see that on the chart there's 15 different pond estimates on one page. However, I have well over one page. I've got 10 pages, I've got 11 pages here, so I have over 150 different options for this pond site. And so when you have over 150 options, it's important that there's some filtering mechanisms and some sorting mechanisms to help the conservation planner narrow in what's best for the landscape and what's best for the landowner. First, I can start by sorting by clicking at the top of any one of the columns. When I click the first time, it will sort from the smallest to the largest. So in this case, where I'm looking at acres of surface area, it sorts from the smallest pond, which is about 4.9 acres. If I click again, it will sort from largest to smallest. So my largest is about 19.6 acres of water. Now the way it gets the minimum and the maximum is, first off, the minimum is set in Iowa by 35 years of sediment storage. I've taken my average soil loss of 5 tons per acre per year, calculated the delivery rate, which the program does for me, the delivery into my permanent pool, and it adds in 35 years of sediment storage, and that's the minimum value that I can put my pipe at. So that's the minimum size of my permanent pool. And then my maximum pool is set by either where the low end of where I drew my dam or 35 feet of effective spill height or effective fill height for my dam. And so those are kind of the two parameters that get me my minimum and my maximum. Along with my pool size, I get my pond depth, I get my dam height, I get the ratio of upland to 1 acre of water in my pool, I get whether I require a DNR permit in Iowa or not, I get all my options of pipe sizes starting with 4-inch up to 36-inch. I get annular corrugated metal pipe, helical corrugated metal pipe, and smooth steel pipe. And so with all the permutations of all the depths, starting with my minimum to my maximum in half-foot increments, and all my pipe sizes and all my pipe types, I then get the 150 or so different options that you see in this chart. I also get a base cost. So the base cost is the cost of the pipe and the cost of the earthwork. And so these are the options that are available to me. If I want to filter my options, I can go to the top of my table and I can click on filter, and then it will give me different filtering mechanisms. So I might want a depth that's between 16 and 18 feet deep, and so if I put 16 to 18 and I click on go, it will sort only those depths from 16 to 18. Now if I only care about the least expensive option for the 16 to 18 foot, if I don't care about all the different options of pipe sizes and pipe types, I can click on least expensive, push go again, and now you'll see that I get my 16 and my 16.5 foot options for my ponds, and I get my cost associated with those. So that's the sorting mechanism of in Pond Builder and the filtering mechanism, and so it really provides you with all the options and lets you sort and filter to where you need to be.